Want to see who's at the door without getting up? Blink makes it easy and affordable. The Blink Video Doorbell shows live video and lets you talk to visitors from your phone or Echo Show. Get motion alerts, two-way audio, and clear HD video day or night. It's easy to install, wired or battery-powered. Seniors can check on visitors without opening the door, adding peace of mind and security. Blink is budget-friendly and works with Alexa for voice announcements. Want an easier way to stay safe at home? Tap the link below to check out Blink. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to go to smarttechpulse.com for more tech tips and reviews.